What are canonical tags and when should you use them? Canonical tags tell search engines which version of a page is the master when you have duplicate or similar content. They prevent duplicate content issues and consolidate your ranking signals to one page. You can use them when you have faceted navigation, printer-friendly versions, or syndicated content. But you'll always want to ensure that the canonical points to a real accessible URL. So I want to give you an example. There are a lot of websites that benefit from canonical tags, but the most common example I would say would be related to e-commerce websites. So say you're a retailer that sells t-shirts. You have pages and pages of different types of t-shirts. So in this example, say we have 5 different pages of different t-shirts available for purchase. We would want to put a canonical tag on page 1. So there is no question about which page should be ranked in the search engines. If you don't do that, there's the chance that perhaps your page 5 will be showing up in the search results. So it really gives you a way to point the search engines to the correct page.